Hey everybody, it's Harry Swaminathan. It's August 26th, Monday at around 2:30 in the afternoon. Wanted to look at two trades that I want to close. The first one is Apple. As you can see, we have a profit of 1060. There's only $240 left in this bull put anymore, and we'll have to wait for 4 days for that, basically to get that also gone as time decay. So at this point, if you just look at it, we've collected 80% of our maximum return. Our maximum return was 1,300. We've collected 1,060. So that's about 80% of our maximum return. In terms of absolute returns, you can see the margin is 10,000 and we have 1,000. So this is 10% return in about 3-4 days or so. So it's a decent profit. I'm going to take that off. What I'm really looking at is the FedEx trade. Now, we've had FedEx on for about 3 weeks, and we have a booked profit of $425 on this trade. Now, FedEx has made a very strong move today. It's up about $2.33, and I was looking into why that was. I think there is optimism building as FedEx comes into its earnings report, which is coming in, I think, next week, if I'm not mistaken. Let's check this. The 9/18. So, well, this is, I guess, 9/18 would be in September. But given that this kind of bullishness exists with the stock, rather than sit and fight this, I'm going to close this out. So we have a booked profit of 425, you can see, but we have a loss of 387. Rest of it is just brokerage. So this is basically an even. It's a scratch trade basically. But I want to get out of it because between now and the earnings, I think we're going to see more of this bullishness on FedEx. We've already held this for about 3 weeks, at least 3 to 4 weeks. So it's not it's obviously gone against us. And right now we have an opportunity to come out as scratch. So I'm going to do that. Netflix is also powering up. I don't know, but it's been moving up about $7 or $8 a day. We've converted this into an iron condor right now. We are fairly delta neutral at minus 17 or 18. That's fine. GMCR is moving very well today after we moved our short straddle to the 87.5. Now you can see that the difference between the calls and the puts on our long straddle in the October series has reduced to $2,000. This is great. This is exactly what we would want to see because it's moving strongly in one direction. The calls would ultimately overtake this. Meanwhile, if GMCR hangs around this area for this week, I think we have a pretty good opportunity here. So I'm pretty positive about GMCR after it's given us quite a bit of runaround. And the other trade that's looking good is HL Herbalife. Believe it or not, we are up $1,300 on this trade, but there's still more to go. So we're going to keep that open. So that's as far as the trades are concerned. I'm closing Apple, I'm closing FedEx, and we'll move on from there. Thanks.